Hello Gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my year of savings. I have $100 in prop money and some saving challenges that I am saving for various things throughout the year. So let's get started. Let's start with our every Friday of 2025. So the next Friday is August 15th. So let's go ahead and color that one in. Alright, 15. I already just realized I forgot my color pencils. Well, I always forget my color pencils. Alright, and this I am saving for extra payment of debt. Each month I just add it up and put it towards an extra payment. The next one is weekly savings created by Norella's Budgets. And let me get my D8. And what I decided to do is roll a D8 for each week of the month and save that amount for my son's senior year. And we are rocking with a 6. Perfect. So let's go ahead and save $6. All right, next we have Save with Judy, and this is $5 per icon for a total of $300. And let me grab me color pencils. And let's go ahead and color in another watermelon. Let's do this green. Perfect. And put in our $5. And this is also going towards his senior year. All right. Next we have Santa is Coming to Town. And this is created by Champagne's Corner and Mischief Managed Budgets. And guys, I edited the last week's video while I was doing this. Like, oh my goodness, I am a goof. So, where is it at? I was doing the reindeer games, and I got a 10 and 14, and I said that was 34. Oh goodness, I think I was looking at all these numbers. So I should have put only 24 in, but I put 34. So what I decided to do is that $10 extra I am just going to put into this challenge here. So let's just cross off a 10. And then let's start fresh this week. And I have the $20 for this week. So let's go to our reindeer. And these 10s has been cutting up. Let's see, what are we doing now? So I got the bag here. Not looking. Come on, just grab one. Ready? Okay, not 10, but 9. So let's go ahead and put a 9 here. So what I'm going to do is, let's move some stuff out the way. So we got the 9, so we go 20 minus 9. All right, let's grab another one out of here. Oh, you guys ready? Times 2. Oh, and this one was already fell out. What oh gosh, what is this going to be? Oh, look at God. That was 5. So we are $10. So minus 10. So we have $1 left. So we're not going to pull another one. That is perfect. So what I'm going to do is go to this one here. And let's color in 1. Perfect. And then minus 1 is $0. Perfect, perfect. And so that is the $20 that is going into Santa's Coming to Town. And of course, that is saving for Christmas. And so let's see, the rest is going to this one, I believe. So this is Save $2,025 in 2025, created by the Almost Organized Aisle. Oh, we got a little money here. Let's see how much we have left. We have 20, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, $54. So 54. And this is saving for my for taxes. So 54. What is our next highest? 20. Oh no, 29. So minus 29. And then we have 25. Do we have a 25? Oh yes. So we can do 29 and 25. Let's say we always like $1 short. But this time we got it. We got it. So let's do, what color? Yeah, let's do a lighter blue. Let's do that one here. And let's do this color here. All right, and that was, what was that again? I don't remember. Oh, shoot, it should be, what, 54, 20, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Yes, $54. So $54 is going into, say 2025 and 2025. So I am happy about that. Knocking out some big numbers. Okay, okay. And like that, that is $100 put into my year of savings. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you everyone for your love and support. If you haven't already checked out my Kofi and my Etsy, I did drop, oh my goodness, get it out. If you haven't already checked out my Kofi or my Etsy, I did do new drop of some new items, digital items. So go check it out. My Kofi do have a couple free items there because you guys helped me reach my 400 gem milestone. So I am happy about that. So I did put some freebies there. So go check it out. Go grab it. Go share it. Tag me when you save them coins. And I appreciate each and one of you guys. Okay, if you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.